Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Cambridge apartment complex, and this is located in New Kingston. And this complex consists of 176 units. It's actually two buildings, but this will be the largest apartment complex in Jamaica when it's finished. It's still under construction, but when finished it's going to be 176 units, and they look like they're close to being finished from what you can see. Now the units were built by Guardian Life, and it cost $4 billion to build these units. It's 10 story, each building is 10 floors. So they're located in New Kingston. They're actually located on Musgrave Avenue, and it's a $4 billion investment. And you have two towers, the Edge and the Elite, both 10 floors high. Actually, this one straight ahead does not look like 10 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess I don't know how they do it, but the one on the right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, but it's 10 floors. And you have two towers, the Edge and the Elite. Now it consists of super studios, 1-bedroom units, and 8 penthouses. So you can see the penthouses at the top. Okay, the cost now. They start from 168,500 US to US 314,280. And the entire site is 3 acres, and basically you have all the amenities: swimming pool, jogging trail, clubhouse. I'm sure there's a gym there somewhere. Okay, so this is just one of many high-rise buildings that are going up in the city of Kingston. Just across the road you have the Hampshire, which was actually done by Guardian Life as well. There you can see it, it's the same color scheme. And the Hampshire unit sold out within, I think, 2 days, if so long. So Guardian decided to build a bigger complex, which is 179 units. And if they haven't sold out yet, I'm sure they're going to be sold out soon. And across the road you have the Via at the Braemar, also 10 floors, but that one is 99 units. Then you have the Rogers, which is 20 floors and 129 units. You have Parkland beside it, then you have Genesis 28, then you have 20 South, all high-rise buildings. You have the Residences at Terra Nova, which is 14 stories. They started out as residential, and then the hotel decided to change it to keep the building as part of the hotel. Then up the road you have another apartment building being built. So there's a lot of construction going on in the city of Kingston. And we're just talking residential apartments. You have so many more commercial buildings going up. You have One Belmont, you have the Usain Bolt building on Halfway Tree Road that's completed. There's a second one being built across from the Andrews Hospital on Hope Road. And then you have Barita building one in New Kingston. You have another one going up in New Kingston. You have one on Haining Road. First Rock is building a 9-story building in New Kingston. Barita is building a 9-story building. Musson is building a 10-story building. On Haining Road you have a 6-story building going up, and on Holborn Road you have an 8-story building. Oh, and those are all commercial. And in terms of Residential, how could we forget the Ascent? 27 floors. That will be the tallest building in Jamaica until a building in Montego Bay is finished at 28 floors. So currently you have the Pegasus as the tallest building in Jamaica at 17 floors. The Scotia Centre in downtown Kingston is number 2. I think number 3 is the Windham. Windham in New Kingston is either 3 or 4. But, okay, the Pegasus, 17 floors, is the tallest building now. But that's going to change later this year when the Rogers Apartments, which is 20 floors, is finished. And then the Rogers will hold the title for probably a year or 2. And then the Ascent will take the title at 27 floors. And the Ascent will hold the title until the building in Montego Bay is finished at 28 floors. So a lot is going on for Jamaica in terms of building these high-rise buildings. And the Pegasus was built in the 1970s. And it took almost 50 years for a building to surpass it, go past 17 floors. So what happened is that the building code or the laws changed so that you can build these buildings on smaller lots. You know, whatever the code was before, you needed, I guess, more space. But it changed, so that's why you have so many high-rise buildings going up, and the demand is definitely there. Now the Rogers is going to have a penthouse that's going to be sold for 230 million Jamaican dollars, or 1.5 million US dollars. The penthouse at this building is, what was it? 314,000 US. So you can see these things are getting bigger and more expensive as you go along, but you have to admire the progress. Definitely have to admire the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.